Hey everyone and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up your Skool account. So if you haven't signed up for Skool just yet, you can use my link down below in order to get a 14-day free trial to Skool. So Skool is a comprehensive online course community platform, and so I've been using Skool for over 8 months now, and I come from a background of using Kajabi. I do think Skool is a lot better than Kajabi just because of the community focused aspect, but in order to set up your Skool account, what you want to do is use my link down below in order to sign up, and when you sign up, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. Afterwards, you simply want to click on this upper left hand corner and then click on create a community. And then once you click on that, that is where you're going to be able to create your community. You can name it, you can set your cover image, you can add your description, and then you can do multiple different things such as setting up your classroom or course, setting up your calendar, and also setting up your leaderboards. In addition to that, you're going to see this tab here called About, and this is where you're going to be able to change the About section of your program. So with that being said, that is how you set up your Skool account. The good thing with Skool is that you can create as many communities as you want within the Skool platform, and so it's absolutely fantastic. I highly recommend it. And again, if you haven't signed up for Skool just yet, you can use my link down below in order to get a 14-day free trial.